Looking to get into SQL and databases? You're in luck! I found some of the best courses on Udemy to help you learn. Let me show you which ones are worth checking out. My name is Daniel, and today I will dive into the best 5 database courses on Udemy review. I will tell you what they have to offer and why they stand out. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. 1. The Complete SQL Bootcamp. Go from zero to hero. If you are ready to dive into SQL and boost your data skills, this course will give you the hands-on experience you need. What you'll learn. In this course, you'll learn how to use SQL to query databases and analyze data with PostgreSQL. By the end, you'll be confident in writing complex queries, performing data analysis, and working with key SQL concepts like the group by statement. These skills will make you comfortable using SQL on your resume and give you the confidence to tackle real-world data-related tasks, such as creating reports and analyzing data trends. Course features. This course includes 9 hours of video content, designed to be engaging and practical. You'll have access to 14 articles and 13 downloadable resources, which will help reinforce your learning. With 12 sections and 83 lectures, the course covers everything from the basics of SQL to more advanced topics. You'll also receive challenges and tests to track your progress and apply what you've learned. Course requirements. No prior technical experience is needed for this course. All you need is a computer to get started. Why this course? SQL is one of the most in-demand skills in tech today, and this course will help you get up to speed quickly. You will learn by doing, setting up and restoring databases right from the start. Instead of just watching someone else write code, you'll be hands-on and engaged. Each section includes challenge questions modeled after real-world scenarios, so you'll get practical experience that you can apply immediately. This course is the perfect way to improve your career prospects and gain valuable data skills. Okay, let's move on. 2. The Ultimate MySQL Bootcamp. Go from SQL beginner to expert. If you have ever felt lost when trying to work with databases or analyze data, this course will give you the confidence and skills you need. What you'll learn. In this course, you'll master MySQL and SQL techniques that will help you handle both simple and complex data tasks. You'll learn to create and interact with databases, write complex SQL join queries across multiple tables, and master advanced MySQL 8 features like window functions, lead, lag, rank. By the end, you'll be able to model real-world data, generate detailed reports, and confidently answer important business questions using data. Course features. This course gives you 21 hours of video, making it easy to learn at your own pace. Along with that, you'll get 161 articles, 6 downloadable resources, and over 380 lectures that break down every concept in detail. You'll have access to quizzes, challenges, and practical exercises to reinforce your learning. Plus, you will have all the materials you need to confidently work with MySQL in real-world scenarios. Course requirements. This course is designed for complete beginners, so there's no need for any prior experience with databases, SQL or MySQL. All you need is a working computer, whether it's a PC, Mac or Linux machine, and the willingness to dive in and learn. No programming experience is required, but it could help you grasp concepts faster. Why this course? If you're looking to get comfortable with MySQL without feeling overwhelmed, this is the course for you. It's structured to help you build a solid foundation in MySQL, while also making the learning process engaging and fun. The course is designed to give you hands-on experience right from the start, ensuring you're ready to apply your skills in the real world. Now let's take a look at course number 3. 3. Apache Kafka series. Learn Apache Kafka for beginners. And this course is a deep dive into the powerful capabilities of Apache Kafka. What you'll learn. In this course, you'll learn about the Apache Kafka ecosystem, understanding its core concepts, architecture, and how it all works. You'll master key components like topics, partitions, brokers, producers, and consumers, and learn how to set up and manage a Kafka development environment. You'll get hands-on experience with the major Kafka command line tools, including Kafka Topics, Kafka Console Producer, and Kafka Console Consumer, and create your own producers and consumers in Java. By the end, you'll have built a real-world Twitter producer and an Elasticsearch consumer, and gained practical knowledge on working with Kafka's extended APIs, including Kafka Streams and Kafka Connect. You will also learn important concepts like log compassion and see how Kafka fits into big data architecture. Course features. With 8.5 hours of on-demand video and over 120 lectures, this course is packed with practical exercises to help you grasp Kafka's fundamentals and get you coding. There are articles and a downloadable resource to support your learning, and you'll have access to real-world case studies that show how Kafka fits into larger big data systems. The course is designed to be engaging, with a hands-on approach to get you comfortable using Kafka in real development environments. Course requirements. You don't need to be an expert in programming to start, but having a basic understanding of Java is helpful. A machine with at least 4 GB of RAM and 5 GB of disk space, Windows, Mac, or Linux is all you need to get started. If you have a little knowledge of the Linux command line, that's a bonus, but it's not required. Why this course? If you're looking to get a solid understanding of Apache Kafka and how it's used in real-world applications, this course is a great fit. The step-by-step approach makes complex concepts easy to understand, and the hands-on Java exercises ensure you're learning by doing. By the end of the course, you'll be ready to use Kafka in your own projects, whether you're working with Java or other programming languages like Python, Scala, or Node.js. Alright, moving on. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. 4. MongoDB, the complete developer's guide. If you're looking to dive into databases and become an expert in MongoDB, this course is the perfect place to start. What you'll learn. In this comprehensive course, you'll learn everything you need to know about MongoDB, from the very basics to more advanced techniques. You'll start by covering how MongoDB organizes data and move on to performing CRUD operations efficiently. You'll learn how to write complex queries, fetch data in the format you need, and optimize those queries for performance. By the end of the course, you'll be able to confidently work with MongoDB in any project, applying your knowledge to real-world situations. Course features. This course offers 17.5 hours of on-demand video content, providing you with the opportunity to learn at your own pace. It includes assignments and practical examples, ensuring that you apply what you learn. With 28 articles and 49 downloadable resources, you'll have plenty of material to revisit as you continue your learning journey. The course covers everything from basic operations to advanced queries, making sure you are prepared for any MongoDB challenge. Course requirements. You don't need any prior database knowledge to get started. Whether you're new to databases or just looking to dive into MongoDB, this course is perfect for beginners. A basic understanding of web or mobile development can be helpful but isn't necessary. All you need is a computer with Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and a desire to learn. Why this course? This course stands out because it's designed to teach you MongoDB through hands-on practice. You'll not only watch examples but also write the code yourself, giving you real experience that you can apply immediately. With practical use cases and a clear, easy-to-follow structure, you'll learn how to use MongoDB in your next project, no matter what programming language you prefer. And now let's talk about the final course on this list. 5. The Complete Oracle SQL Bootcamp. If you are ready to dive deep into SQL and master the skills that will make you stand out in the tech world, this Oracle SQL Bootcamp is exactly what you need. What you'll learn. In this course, you'll start from the basics and move your way up to become an expert in SQL, specifically tailored to help you pass the Oracle 100071 SQL Database SQL certification exam with ease. You'll gain the confidence to answer SQL interview questions, develop job-ready skills, and learn how to solve any SQL-related problems. You'll go through the process, learning how to write, read, and analyze SQL queries while creating your own analytical solutions. By the end of this course, you'll prepare to take on real-world SQL tasks and ASIO certification exam. Course features. This course is packed with over 36 hours of video, ensuring you get in-depth coverage of all the important topics. You'll have access to hundreds of coding examples, quizzes, and challenges to solidify your learning. With 15 coding exercises and plenty of hands-on practice, you'll test and refine your SQL skills along the way. You'll also get lifetime support from the instructors, ensuring you're never stuck and always on the right track. Plus, you will get a well-organized recap document that makes reviewing everything a breeze. Course requirements. You don't need any prior programming experience to take this course, just a working computer, whether you use PC, Mac or Linux. Guys, this course is designed for complete beginners as well as those who want to deepen their existing SQL knowledge. Why this course? If you've been looking for a comprehensive, step-by-step SQL course that covers everything you need to know, this is the course for you. With professional, organized content and hundreds of hands-on examples, you'll get practical experience that goes beyond just theory. Whether you're new to SQL or already have some experience, this course will take your skills to the next level and prepare you to succeed in your certification exam and in your job as a SQL developer. Final thoughts. And that wraps up my look at the top 5 database courses on Udemy. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your skills, these courses provide hands-on, practical learning to help you master SQL, MySQL, Apache Kafka, MongoDB, and Oracle SQL. If any of these courses piqued your interest, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and potential discounts. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.